Good morning, everybody. This is now my third video based on the Lost Horizon air mattress, but some things have changed since last time. If you're new around here, I originally got this mattress a couple years ago as a replacement for the stock mattress in the iCamper SkyCamp Mini, and I made my first video testing it out on a week-long road trip in Idaho. Last year, in 2023, I made a follow-up video based on how it's held up over a year of use, as well as introducing their pump. Both of those videos are linked in the description, but like I said, some things have changed, so here's video number 3. So last summer, in 2023, I replaced my iCamper tent with the Free Spirit Recreation Evo V2, which did come with an inflatable mattress. And we used the mattress that came with the tent all last year, but by the end of the summer, I was kind of thinking about maybe trying the Lost Horizon mattress that we still had in the Free Spirit tent. We never did end up trying it last year, but before our first summer camping trip of this season, 2024, we made the switch and decided to give it a try. Right now it's mid-July 2024, and we've probably used the Lost Horizon mattress about 10 nights in the Free Spirit tent. So first of all, does it fit? When it is fully deflated and you lay it out in the Free Spirit Evo V2, it looks like it fits perfectly. Once you inflate it fully, it definitely bulges out in the by the feet and by the head. With that being said, even though it does bulge out a little bit, it has not been a problem. Comfort-wise, the stock mattress that came with the Free Spirit Evo V2 was comfortable, but the Lost Horizon air mattress is more comfortable. Besides comfort, there are a few other differences. For starters, the holes for inflation and deflation on the stock mattress are on the side by the opening of the main door, probably a little easier to access. The holes for inflation and deflation on the Lost Horizon mattress are by the feet of the tent. So to access it, you would need to access the door by the feet, or for whatever tent you're using, you'd have to keep that in mind. Also, when it is fully inflated, it is 4.5 inches thick. So keep that in mind. Whatever thickness your current mattress is, if this is thicker, you're going to lose a little bit of headspace. I would say the difference between the stock mattress and this one has not been significantly noticeable. It was more noticeable to me in our iCamper. I think the iCamper stock mattress we had was 1.5 inches, and this is 4.5. So it was a noticeable 3 inches of headroom loss. Still worth it for this mattress though. Another really important thing for me, in this tent, I'm allowed to keep a lot of bedding in here. With the stock mattress from Free Spirit Recreation, I can keep 4 pillows, 2 sleeping bags, and a body pillow in here. Yes, a body pillow. And now that we have the Lost Horizon mattress, it does deflate enough that we can still keep the same amount of bedding in here. Going back to the comfort thing, is it worth the upgrade, at least compared to the stock mattress that came with the Free Spirit Recreation? For the money, I don't know. If you get the mattress and the tent, I think it runs you somewhere between $160 and $200, depending on sales. I'm not sure if it's worth the upgrade or not for that money. Since we already had it, it was definitely worth the upgrade of putting it in. I would say overall it's better in terms of comfort. I think it's easier to inflate and deflate with the pump. I don't know if it would be worth $200 if we didn't already have it. Right about now, I'm just going to show you the process of how I inflate and deflate the mattress in my new tent. So I want to start off my conclusion just by talking about the durability real quick. I have had this mattress since 2022, so we used it fully in 2022. We used it about half of last year. Like I said, when we got the new tent, we did not use this mattress. And then now we've used it so far on all of our camping trips in the first few months of this year. So it's technically in its third season, and I have not noticed any signs of lack of durability or decline in function of this mattress. So it is still holding up great in its third year of use. Just compared to the stock mattress that came with this tent, it is definitely an upgrade. I know Free Spirit Recreation sells their own version of an upgraded mattress. They have a 6-inch mattress that is inflatable. Don't know much about it, but I did see it on their website. I do find this to be the most comfortable mattress that I've ever used for camping. If you do decide to get this mattress, I highly, highly recommend that you get the pump. The pump is a lifesaver. It makes the inflation and the deflation process so simple. It inflates and deflates the mattress within minutes. If you get it, you got to get the pump. I mean, it's whatever they charge for it, you need to get it. Even with the pump though, when you are deflating it, I would just kind of like put your body weight around the mattress just to kind of help it deflate a little bit better. I can't think of anything else for now. I think that's about it. If you do have any questions, or if you just want to say hi, leave a comment below. And if you did find this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.